Hi all, welcome back to one more interesting session in this freelancing series. Okay, this session is how come it is very different. Let me say you how. I'm not going to give you any AI tools for like content, for SEO, for like ads. I'm going to give AI tool suggestions for the freelancers like you to increase the productivity. Just let me say, as a freelancer, like how much time you're working in a qualitative manner. I'm just talking related to billable or qualitative. Yes, in this 1 hour, how much time are you really working instead of just shifting the content, arranging the content, just doing the extra work that is a part of like non billable. For doing that kind of work, you're not provided with the amount, right? So, but we cannot skip that task also. You have to arrange it, document it, translate it. You have to transcribe it. You have to just put it in the folder. You need some research work also. These tools in this particular video, which I have mentioned, can help you bring a very good productivity as a freelancer. Let me just start with the session. See, I have just given the topic as why AI matters for freelancer. Obviously, it is mattering because as a freelancer, like how much resources do you have in your hand? But in case of agency, they do have some paid tools, right? But as a freelancer, by using some of the free features of the AI tools, you can definitely increase the productivity. I would just try to suggest some AI tools. Some are paid, but if you're actually getting a very good output of these AI tools, obviously you can invest in it. Now, coming to the first topic as freelancers challenge, right? What are the three things you're doing it? I can easily sort it out like only 52% are like billable work. If I just logging in right now, so what are the works I'm doing? So like I have to record the videos, I have to take the training sessions. So those are the billable tasks. But apart from that, doing the research, just renaming all the file name, just like putting it in the folder, arranging it in a dashboard. These are kind of the tasks which I can do it by the use of AI tools. All the administrative tasks, and just have a look at it. Rest consumed by administrative tasks, client communication and prospecting. So in case of client communication also, sometimes you have to take the notes, right? So you can't be like, yes, I can do it. You can't put everything in the Google Sheet. So do you have a AI tool which can take notes? Yes, I can provide. So sometimes there may be a disturbance if you're working from home. As a freelancer, you'll be working remote. So do you want to actually discard the noise? Yes, I have a tool for it. So this session is all about productivity tools and not core AI tools. Let me just make it clear for you all guys, okay? Because limited resources compared to the agencies and companies. If in a company you are provided with their very own software, very own CRMs, very own tools, but as a freelancer, you have to actually search for AI tools that can increase your productivity time. And here are the AI advantages. Automates a repetitive task. I'm creating a blog content, right? I have to resurface it into different social media platforms and I can just go for any content generation AI tool. Am I right? I don't want to just do it in my very own way, which takes like 3 hours to 4 hours of time, which can I just complete within 30 minutes. It is kind of a smarter work. So what are the things you have to do is you have to just resurface the content and you have to humanize it using the brand style, tone and voice. That is like more than enough. Next, allows you to take on more without burnout because you keep on doing things which is not billable, but you have to be like shuffling here, you have to do like extra kind works that will create a burnout and you cannot provide quality output. So AI tool is there for a rescue. Right out from 2023, 2024 and 2025 only AI tools are actually emerging. Before that, even like few freelancers were just trying to get paid AI tools even for content creation. But right now, there are several free features that are available for you guys and hopefully you guys are very blessed in that case. Correct? Now starting with this very own tools. The first thing, whenever people just talk about AI tools, the first thing it will be like for the content creation research, obviously you have tons and tons of free AI tools. The number one is content creation and enhancement. I would suggest you to go through this Claude AI, which currently I'm obsessed with. Even though like ChatGPT, Gemini, there are so many tools out there, but this Claude AI, it has free features also. It gives a professional level of documents. Okay, so the changes also is pretty good. The assumption from the prompt also, it is taking it in a very perfect manner. So try to use this tool, especially for the content creation. It is damn good. Definitely, it is damn good. Try to use this Claude AI. Next, coming to the document organization, which every person needs to have it, is Notion. Initially, obviously, still I'm just struggling with Notion. There are several AI features are right out there in the Notion. You just give the content, okay? It can translate it. It can just take out the key points. It can summarize it. So many options are available in Notion, but still, like, you have to learn on how to do it, how to provide it as a task, how to save it, how to just access it. So these are the things you have to learn in case of Notion, but it is the best tool for organizing all your folders, documents, all the creative data will be saved in case of the Notion AI. The next is research and analysis. So obviously you can just go for ChatGPT for doing the research. ChatGPT along with website. That means the pro version of the ChatGPT can get details from all the websites for the recent data. But still you can just try out this particular tool called as Perplexity AI. Just try it out with your very own prompt. Even though AI tools are there, just remember AI tools are like garbage in, garbage out, right? So if you provide proper prompt, obviously you will get the right output. So you should be just good enough to give a very brief prompt as an instruction to the AI. That is what it matters. Next is for project management and workflow. Definitely, if you're handling 2 to 3 clients, this is the best tool you can invest for. Zoho CRM. Currently, we are using the Zoho CRM where we can send emails, where we can just connect with our clients, like where we can just post all the reels in one particular folder. Communication is everything is possible as a one Zoho CRM. You can use like Trello also, Asana. So these are the project management tools where you can invest if you have like 3 to 4 clients, especially the communication, the tracking, the results, output, data, everything is available in one particular place. Next is AI-powered meeting transcription and note-taking. Whenever you're attending a meeting session, especially with the on-site clients, okay, you need some person to transcribe it. So what are the key points they are saying? Obviously, you guys will be taking the notes, but still, you try to use this particular tool. I have used it. Okay, many students when they are attending the webinars, they just come up with this particular AI tool because they want a document of what we are just speaking in the workshop or the webinar. Try to use this tool called as otter.ai. Finally, AI background noise cancellation. You can use crisp.ai. Whenever you're working from home, if you don't have any working spaces, separate working spaces, obviously you would be just provided with the background noise like this. I think, I don't know, you guys can hear it out or not. So you can actually eliminate the background noise using this particular tool. So what do you mean by productivity? You can just concentrate in your very own billable work rather than administrative work or environmental factors. So project management should be there. There is a place where you can store all the data, where you can just research for the data, where you can just remove the noise over there. So these are the tools that are very, very, very essential for a freelancer like you. If you want a part 2, I can also design part 2 with detailed analysis. And also don't forget to join our Trido School community. I have added it in the description. You can be a part of biggest freelancing community where you can network with other freelancers for so many works. See you soon in the other sessions, right? Thank you.